Once upon a time, in a lively village nestled in the foot of Blue Mountains, there was a young courageous fighter known as Jangi Fauji. His real name was Jamal, but everyone called him Jangi Fauji because he was brave like a soldier. Jangi Fauji had a heart full of courage and eyes full of dreams. The villagers loved Jangi Fauji because he was always willing to help. He once saved the village's harvest from being eaten away by a swarm of hungry locusts. With his determination and clever ideas, he managed to chase them away using thick smoke and loud sounds. His bravery made him a hero in the village, but Jangi Fauji had a secret wish. Deep in his heart, he dreamt of exploring the big wide world beyond the mountains. He wanted to see enchanting places he had heard stories about from the elders. One day, while feeding the village chickens, he decided he would embark on an adventure. The next morning, with a backpack full of supplies and his lucky stone, Jangi Fauji set off on his journey. He waved goodbye to the villagers who cheered him on, hoping he would find what he was looking for. Jangi Fauji traveled through forests that whispered tales, across rivers that sang songs with their currents. He traveled over hills that hummed secrets of old. Along the way, he helped a lost puppy find its way home, and taught a young bird how to fly. His kindness was felt everywhere he went. One day, Jangi Fauji reached a quiet town where people looked sad. He soon learned that a mean dragon had been scaring them away from their gardens. The brave Jangi Fauji was determined to help. He devised a clever plan using nets and shiny mirrors to distract the dragon. His plan worked. The dragon was so dazzled by the shiny mirrors that it became friendly. It was amazed by its own reflection and decided to fly back to its cave deep in the mountains. The people in the town were overjoyed and thanked Jangi Fauji with gifts and stories about their village. After many adventures and treasures found, Jangi Fauji returned home. His heart filled with stories, and his backpack filled with tokens from his travels. The villagers rejoiced as he shared tales of wonderful places, kind hearts, and brave deeds. Jangi Fauji learned that home is where the heart is, and sometimes, the biggest adventure is sharing love and kindness wherever you go. And so, the legend of Jangi Fauji, the brave explorer, grew and inspired many young ones to be as kind and daring as him.